my god. Oh, this one's big. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. It's 3 Cast Mafia. We're on the road again. We're headed up to Mammoth this time. You're gonna meet the crew. We got Sam, we got Pat, and Arlen, also known as Pilot in the group. Sam's gonna give you a little preview of where we're going.
Making our way to the 395 right now, headed up to Mammoth for a 3-day trip.
3-day trip. I think we're gonna hit Convict today. Goal is to hit Lake Mary tomorrow, and Saturday we are going to wing it. Maybe hit up Sabrina, and maybe hit up some of the creeks along the way.
All right guys, pulled up our first stop, so we're gonna show you guys our setup. So we got a cooler full of meat that we're gonna be making, and then the rest is all up to catching. Got our cool little backpacks, picked this up yesterday from the Yeti store. We're all pretty much Yeti. Up here we have our rods. Give you guys a better look. Got pretty much everything Phoenix. Good morning, gang. Crew's out, ready to go. We got Sam, and then we got Pat in the back. We're about to hit our first stop. To support this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for future videos. Stay with us. We're gonna meet you guys at the lake very shortly. All right, here we go. Got the 3 Cast Mafia boys. We're rolling out. We're gonna go have some breakfast right now, and then check out the rest of the scene. Eric Schatz Bakery.
Arlen making edits. Grind non-stop.
Grind non-stop, baby.
Oh yeah.
They are going pretty deep right now in the heat. Are they? Yeah. They go about 30 or 40 feet. They're not cruising on completely on the coast you there for a second. Go ahead and pop in forward now. Keep that speed.
Thank you. Alright. Didn't realize that was the throttle.
Yeah,
cool.
It'll pick up on you. Right, just a little bit more. It's pretty shallow.
It was freaking, it would just go. I was waiting for the click, it didn't click.
What?
So
Just spread this one. I reel it in.
Oh, there's one right there. Two
We have a fish finder too.
oh yeah, wow, you can see them very well with this.
It's horrible. That's what I was saying. If you hammer it left right now, we'll cut them off.
Another person. Yeah, we're gonna shoot in, pull out.
Well, they just face it
I'm gonna, or maybe longboard, or you want to face it? Okay, can you, when I tell you, can you drop the anchor in the back?
then. Where is it?
It's supposed to be like outside there. I'm going slow. And Pat, you'll drop the one in the front.
Hold on. How deep is it here? What are the fish finders say?
Fish finder, 55 feet.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Try this.
This one specifically is a black and gold by Hookup Baits. I'm gonna try to put some scent on it now. See if that changes anything. Hookup Baits garlic scent is also really amazing. Gonna go ahead and put a little bit on here. Might have been a little too much. And a little in the tail. Got one. All right, boys, we got the first one. Here we go.
Don't bring it out like that.
Yeah.
Or you bring it to the side. Oh, that's a big one.
Let's get it because it's not in a good place. Boys, got the first one. Yep. Here we go. First fish. And we're gonna let this bad boy go.
You missed it? No, it's not.
Oh, there it is. Is that you guys?
Yeah, right here.
Oh no, there's someone else's line on here.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh, what are the chances? Brother.
You caught it. You caught the line with the fish on it.
All right, anchor time. Whoopsie. That is one heavy anchor. God knows what it's bringing with it. It's 1 knot. How much of this anchor did you drop, dude? Yeah, definitely not this long, dude. All right. Jesus Christ, man.
Okay. Is it on? Can you hear it?
Dude, run. Now. 9 feet is deep, though. Going against the wind. See what happens. Oh. Yeah, I just got a nice hit. Oh, he's coming still. Look, 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 look. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's right here. I got it. Oh, lost it. Oh, you caught it? Nice. How big is it? Fish on. All right. Oh. Oh. We made friends. Here, I'll release my line. Don't worry, I got excited too. You want to pull it in and fix it? Damn. And I'm like, fish off. I was thinking like right around here. What do you guys think? Like, no, I mean like those trees, or you guys want to go that way?
I was saying like closer to the lake entrance.
Oh, lake entrance. When we looked at buying the pontoon, this was a lot cheaper than.
Oh, this one's very long. The one we were now is very short.
Still on the boat, chilling.
Oh, see that?
What was that?
Big one.
And yeah, just kind of out here right now.
I think your line is here.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it right now. Got one. Yeah, it's on. I caught it on no, the pumpkin. I need a net real quick. Pat, your rod's in a bad place. It's up here. Just get it. All right, bring it over here. I got it.
Hold on. You're on the line.
All right, cool. Yeah, keeper, baby. Go ahead. All right, boys. Finally caught another one. Hopefully this GoPro's recording, but here we go. All right, let's put this poor guy out of misery. Let him chill for a second. All right, where's the...
Is it the one you saw swimming around?
No. All right, buddy. I'm gonna use one of these anchor points to do it. All right, there he goes. Taking a break for a little bit. All right, there he is. Oh, I see them. Okay. We'll go this way.
That's why I pushed my
Getting stuck. Got it. Oh, it's a brown. Oh, looked like it. All right, got another one.
Oh shit. Barbless.
What is up, guys? Good morning. We're about to head to Lake Mary. Got the boys getting ready. This is the cabin we've rented. Kind of has a cool view. Super early, super messy. Trying to get out of here to catch some fish. Sam's making us cup noodles. I got these jars from Yeti. Keeps the soups hot. Pretty cool. Pat's getting ready as well. He's doing his own thing. Rivian is parked downstairs, ready to load up. And yeah, we'll be tuning in shortly with a couple videos and see how today goes. Good morning, guys. We've just gotten to Lake Cufer. Seatbelts. Always wear your seatbelt. Click it or ticket. We're headed out now. We're at the lake. This is Lake Mary. Got Pat in the back. We're all ready to fish. Kind of didn't have a successful day yesterday. I mean, we caught a couple, ended up throwing a lot back, but they were just small. So now we're kind of hoping for the bigger fish today. So we're headed out. We rented a boat here in Lake Mary. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna be primarily jigging, possibly use some spoons, Cast Masters, whatever works today. But we're all starting off with 2 baits, which are by hookup baits. We'll each have 2 rods. Some are 8 feet being the longest, and shortest I think is at 7.2. But yeah, stick through it, and we'll get back to you once we're on the boat.
Yeah, dude. I don't know.
All right. Got Arlen over here. Decided to stop by Lake George before we head out to Lake Mary. Pat's a little further down. Today's setup, Shimano Vanford C2000S from Japan, shallow spool, Phoenix Iron Feather, 7.2, 2-piece. Got J-braid and a Cigar Tattoo fluorocarbon leader. Ain't that right, Arlen?
Yeah, that was very nicely put. What's mine?
Same shit.
Yeah, dude, this lure is really not working out. Because I had the rainbow ones and they were slapping those without these.
I guarantee if I put a spoon right now, I'll get smacked. You want one? I have one.
You have one?
Yeah.
So put it on.
I don't want to.
Why?
Because I'm just going to switch right back to this. And my other rod already has a spoon on it.
Oh, it does?
So, like, I don't want to, like...
Yeah, no, I get it. Alright, guys, here we go. Onto the boat.
2 seconds to shut it off, pull it out, start it up, push it back in, only if it's having trouble starting. Shouldn't have to because we time them in the mornings. Alright.
You want it?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, sir, you can start it up in neutral. I'll unclip you, shove them under that where you're sitting right now. Yeah, just kicking them forward. Perfect. Have a great day out there, y'all.
Alright, we'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, guys, here we are, Lake Mary. We're popping out.
Alright, first
Off to a
spot.
successful day. First spot, we got Sam driving the boat.
So this is Grasshopper.
Yeah, Grasshopper is that, but they have, I have Grasshopper too, the bigger jigs.
Can I get my iron feather?
Is there an anchor in the back too? Yeah. Okay, bite. Got it. Got it. Yeah. Oh, it let go. Oh no. Oh.
Okay, so it seems like it probably will drop off right around there. So I think we go a little past the pompon.
Hey guys, day 2. We're back at the house. Now we're gonna barbecue. We've caught some stuff and we have a nice little surprise for you guys. They started off slow, but it's getting better now. Sam is currently changing in the car. Taking the stuff off. But yeah, Pat's over here, getting ready to barbecue. All right, cleaning the grill. Making some food, making some drinks, and then we're gonna move on and go to a bar tonight actually. We all kind of want to sit back and relax. Obviously we gotta wake up early tomorrow morning to continue fishing, but I'm gonna show you what the guys are making. And what do we have here, Pat?
Oh, a microphone. Yeah, you can today on the menu we have pork baby back ribs, as well as some prime flat meat on charcoal. That's about it.
How was fishing today?
It was great, but apparently it was okay. It was good. You guys did very well. Me, on the other hand, I was the net guy. But it happens.
All right.
Here's the microphone.
Yeah, we got these little fuzzy mics so you guys can hear us better.
Oh, I did catch some brown.
Yeah, he caught some browns on, what was it on?
It was, one was on a bubble fly setup, and the other one, oh, that's okay, 5-second rule.
I think I caught that.
Good.
Probably caught that.
Okay, I'll eat that. The other one was on a mini jig.
All right, this is what it looks like outside. Pat's got a drink too. Yeah. Nice weather, starting to get a little chilly, but yeah, back to us. So yeah, tomorrow we continue on. We have another boat rental. This one is in Lake Sabrina, I believe. So yeah, we're gonna go catch some more fish, and then the game plan is to go back home and put some footage together for you guys, and we're gonna make that happen.
Alright, well, this is where we part ways, boys. We'll see you guys on the flip side.
All right, man. Have a wonderful trip.
You guys
Bring
have.
back a lot of fish.
I don't have a stringer, so maybe no fish. I'll play some catch and release. Oh. Alright, good morning. So, here's what's going on. Arlen and Sam have gotten a boat and are driving it to the inlet of Sabrina Lake. I decided I wanted to do a little bit of creek fishing, you know, fish the streams below the lake. So I have my coffee, and then I have my 7'1" Phoenix Mirage, running 8-pound braid, as well as, oh, I'm about to miss my first fishing spot. I'm not wearing waders, but I'm gonna try to mini jig some of this. Oh, actually, you know what? We're gonna go back. This is gonna be the first spot. I can already spot some fish in the creeks. I had to buy a stringer because we couldn't find the other one that we had, which is gonna be fine. I'm gonna start with using this grasshopper mini jig. It's a 1/32 ounce. Oh, this might be the entry. Let's see.
All right, guys. Good morning. We're here at Lake Sabrina, starting off the morning. It's Sam and myself. Sam's driving the boat. Pat decided to do the creek, so we're gonna have alternating footage coming through, so you guys will get to see what Pat's doing, what we're doing at the same time. It's going to be going back and forth, and we're going to kind of check out and see how exactly we're going to edit that. But yeah, here we go. This is where Bishop started for us. So stay tuned, and we'll check back with you guys. Just doing that part.
Hey, how you doing? You're fishing? That one? Okay.
All right, here we are, almost at our spot. Coming up. That's how it goes down, baby.
It's in his mouth. That's him. Fish on. I don't have a net, which could be a big problem. Whoa! Oh my God. Look at this beauty. Holy crap. Let's bring this down. Let's get some water on our hands. Straight out of the river. I can't even grab it. Okay, we're gonna wash our hands real quick. We're keeping this guy, so we're gonna have to put him out of his.
Got one. Oh, this one's big. Hell yeah. That's a fatty. Net, please. Oh my God. Boys, check this one out. That's a fat boy. One more. All right, boys. Is it? All right, chill, buddy. Got it. The second I put the scent on. All right. Yep, coming up. All right, boys. It's fish number 5. We're gonna release this bad boy with the net this time. And there he goes. What is up, everybody? Sam and I are almost done here. Our trip is coming to an end. We're just kind of hanging out. He's driving the boat. We're gonna go try our initial spot one more time. We didn't have any luck at the other places. We're kind of bored at the same spot catching fish, so we figured we'd go somewhere else. Pat is still out in the creeks. We're supposed to meet each other at 12 o'clock. So yeah, lake's pretty cool. The catch so far. All right, guys, thanks for watching us once again. Trip is now complete. We'll be here hopefully in 2 more weeks. We're gonna come back and do some more content. But for now, it came to an end. Like, subscribe, and comment. That'll help us a lot to get the channel going. Pat's all good. And we'll show you guys what we've caught just today. Some fatties, big boys, got them all. All right, guys, thanks for watching again. Until next time, peace.